children. Welcome in pp1 language activities lesson, and we will start by singing a song. Let us sing. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, shut your mouth. Now we sing another Kiswahili song. Buda amebeba mizigo mizito, akifika nyumbani akalia sana. Hee-haw, 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 hee-haw. Now today we are going to learn about sounds made by different animals. Remember we said that we have domestic animals and wild animals, and we say that domestic animals are animals that stay at home. Domestic animals are animals that stay at home, or they are animals that are kept at home. Let's give out the examples of domestic animals. Number one is a cat, cat. Number 2, dog. Number 3, hen. Number 4, duck. Number 5, cow. Number 6, sheep. Number 7, goat. Then we have a donkey. Then we have a camel. Then number 10 we have a horse. These are animals that stay at home. Let us listen to some sounds made by the following animals. The first one is cat. Number 2, dog. Number 3, hen. Number 4, duck. Number 5, cow. Number 6, sheep. Number 7, goat. Number 8, donkey. Number 9, camel. And number 10, horse. I have some examples of some animals. You imitate the sounds that they produce. Now let's go on page 19, where it is written listen and color. Now homework is you identify those animals. The first one is a chick. That one is a chick. It is a baby hen. The second one is a puppy. Puppy is a baby dog. The third one is a kid. Kid is a baby goat. The fourth one is a calf. Calf is a baby cow. And the last one is a kid. Kid is a baby sheep. So you identify their sounds, then you imitate, color those animals with their correct colors. We don't have a dog which has color red. No, we don't have a dog which have color green. We don't have a goat which has color what? Orange. So you color them with their right colors. Until next time, bye.